Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. I didn't film yesterday, Friday, because I was my mom's helping her with the yard sale. I was just sitting here yakking with you guys, and I wasn't even filming. So I got me a cup of coffee this morning. It's about 8:30 in the morning, and I looked down at my phone, and I'm like, I'm not even recording. Megan's laugh at me. Anyways, I'm gonna go get the oil change in the cars. Maybe I'm gonna go to the Big Lots. Their Big Lots is awesome and nice. I love their Big Lots. Maybe show around she owns around in there, you know. Not a whole lot of shopping, but you know what I mean? Maybe a little bit of something. All right, you guys, we're making us some eggs. Don't they look good? She's becoming a real good chef. From a nurse to a chef. Oh yeah, she's gonna have lots of jobs to do. And I got dishes washed up. There's another fly on our clean dishes. We just killed one. Oh, and there's another one. Oh, jeez. And then I put in two chicken kebabs, too. That I picked up from Kroger's for $5. So we'll go ahead and get those made. And then have some chicken kebabs. Right up in the air fryer. I was going to throw them on the grill, but I'm like, let's stick them in the air fryer. Even if someone don't eat them now, I could eat them later for lunch. That's probably what I'll do. Yeah, I'd say they're done. But I want to check the chicken just to make sure, like that piece, because she's pretty big, so we'll check that. And I'm going to get these flies killed. Here's my eggs with a slice of cheese. That's all I'm eating with it, though. It's just this. Yep. The chicken kebabs aren't quite done yet, so I got them done for just a few more minutes. And then they'll be ready to eat. Okay, guys, oil is changed. Now we are at Big Lots. So we'll go in here and take a little look. I love this Big Lots. It's really nice, clean. Not been in it in a few months, I think. It's been at least a few months since we've been here. Nice and quiet in here, guys. Just come out of the restroom. Look at all the summer stuff marked down. Somebody's car here, right? Nobody here. That's what I'm gonna look at. Oh, I love this. That's a cute sign, isn't it? These are kind of cute. All these signs are cute. I like them. Right off the cart. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that. I gotta get my fall stuff out before I start purchasing things. Oh, that's the cutest ever. Oh, so is that. Look at that. Oh, look. They got my initial. Oh, I wish they had Tim's. They just got CKJ. Oh. Oh, I gotta go to Walmart too. I gotta get dog food. Doggies are out of food. How much are these? I don't like the ones with the glitters though. $8. That's for one strand. I go Dollar Tree, get the cheaper ones, I think. Pretty stuff. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I'm loving it. Fall. Loving it. Let's go down here and look at the other fall stuff. Oh, the fall candles out, but I usually don't do them. I always do the wax, wax warmers. Must be why all the summer stuff's marked down. And I got Halloween out, but you know me, I'm not big on Halloween. I don't like Halloween. I'd rather the fall pumpkins. Well, I guess pumpkins could be for Halloween, I reckon. Oh, I like that. Pumpkin spicy and everything nice. I'm looking for stuff to set up my coffee bar. That's only $9. I'm going to get it. Unless I find something better, then I won't. Oh, I like that tablecloth. Ooh, that's cute as a centerpiece. God, I just want to buy one of everything. I want to buy one of everything. Oh, there's a turkey for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving ain't got really much decor, but I guess you could put pumpkins out for Thanksgiving. Easy peasy. You could. That one's only $5, and that's my theme. And it says blessed on it, so yeah. You can leave that out for all year round if you want. Ooh, I love that. That'd be so cute. Oh, they got all kinds. I'll be back. And then they got all this over here, too. That's cute. I love that. Oh, I like that, too. Oh, they got beautiful stuff. I gotta, like I said, before I buy too much, I got to get mine out first. I can't have pillows because of dogs. Yeah. You know how they are. Okay, here's all this on this side. Well, let's go back over here. Oh, man. I'm big on the trucks and the pumpkins. But whatever I put out is for my Thanksgiving and my Halloween and for fall. I just do it all in one. It's hard to get Thanksgiving stuff, fall stuff, Halloween stuff. Yeah. Let's do it all together. There's pumpkins for Halloween, so. There's that down there. They had a picture of it. I love that. I'm gonna put my flash on somehow, guys. Sorry. Sorry about that. Ooh, that one's cute. Let's go around here. I think there's another aisle. More Halloween stuff. More of the Halloween over there. See it? We'll go look. Well, I know a lot of people do that. They leave their fall stuff up with Halloween, which Halloween is in fall, so. And ghosts, I like ghosts too. They're cute. I also don't like the gory skulls and stuff like that. It's kind of weird, but you know. You all know me. Been out for, you've been, say like that stuff, it's cute. You guys been following me a while, you know me. You know me. You all know what I like, don't you? And for y'all that's new, I like Christmas. It's my favorite. Welcome, y'all. Ooh, I love that. Oh, that's so cool. Welcome, y'all. Ooh, I love this too. So cute. And that wall sign, that's cute too. Love that. Goes with my theme, but I'll probably be putting red up. Ordering some red ones. More than likely. Okay, let's go here look at the Halloween stuff. Ooh. My heart's being wonky. I got all the Halloween stuff up there. Outdoor. Well, I can't get my cart to go, you guys, and steer it and film at the same time. Straw bales. I'll get big bales. Ooh, he's ugly.